Hello students, let us take one more example using a method of variation of parameter. Find the solution of d square y by dx square minus 2 dy by dx plus y is equal to e raised to x by x. This is a little bit different example where pi of x is e raised to x by x. Okay, so again we follow the same procedure of variation of a parameter method. This can be represented as d square minus 2d plus 1 of y is equal to e raised to x by x. Then let us go through the auxiliary equation to get a complementary function. Auxiliary equation is m square minus 2m plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore this can be written as m minus 1 whole square equal to 0. Therefore m is equal to 1 and 1. Roots are real and repeated. Therefore the complementary function yc is equal to, as per the repeated roots, we will be getting c1 plus x into c2 e raised to x as a complementary function. In this complementary function we are going to replace c1 and c2 by a and b, a variation of a parameters. So this set of parameter is going to be replaced with this set of parameter where c1 and c2 are the arbitrary constants and a and b are the functions of x. So this is going to be replaced. Therefore let us take yc becomes y, assumed form of complete solution. Finally it will become a required form of complete solution. Initially it is assumed form. So y is equal to c1 is going to be replaced by a plus x into c2 is going to be replaced by b into e raised to x. So we call it as equation number 1. This equation number 1 is going to be represented as a complete solution. Complete solution of the given equation where a and b are the functions of x which are to be found at. It is not yet calculated. This has to be calculated. To calculate this, first we need to go through Wronskian formula. To get Wronskian, basically we need y1, y2, y1 dash, y2 dash. What is y1 here? y1 means what? y1 means the first function and the coefficient of x. So for that, for our convenience, I'll write this once again like a into e raised to x plus b into x into e raised to x. Okay, means what? A coefficient of a is y1, so e raised to x. Coefficient of b is y2, that is x into e raised to x. Then differentiation of e raised to x is e raised to x, and differentiation of this is x common. Differentiation of e raised to x is e raised to x plus e raised to x common, and differentiation of x is 1. That can be written as e raised to x common, that is x plus 1. Okay. Therefore, let us go through the Wronskian. Wronskian is y1 into y2 dash minus y2 into y1 dash. Therefore, y1 is e raised to x, y2 dash is e raised to x into x plus 1 minus y2 is x into e raised to x, y1 dash is e raised to x. Therefore w is equal to e raised to x into e raised to x is e raised to 2x into x plus 1 minus x into e raised to 2x. So if we take e raised to 2x common, then inside the bracket we will be getting x plus 1, and from here it is minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 goes. Therefore the value of w becomes, if we take x also common, then it becomes e raised to, if we take e raised to 2x common, then inside the bracket it remains x plus 1 minus x. So plus x minus x goes, therefore it is equal to e raised to 2x. Therefore the Wronski and W is e raised to 2x, and which is not equal to 0. That is important. Then let us calculate the value of a and b. Therefore a of x can be calculated by using the formula integration minus integration of y2 into pi of x divided by w with respect to x plus k1. Similarly, b of x is equal to integration of y1 into pi of x divided by w with respect to x plus k2. So let us calculate all these values here. Then a is equal to a of x, a same, a is equal to minus integration of y2. What is y2? X into e raised to x into pi of x. What is pi of x? Pi of x is e raised to x by x divided by w. W is e raised to 2x with respect to x plus k1. So as I told you, before applying integration, everything should be simplified properly. Here x get cancelled. Then e raised to x into e raised to x becomes e raised to 2x, which get cancels with this. Then what remains? 1 with respect to x plus k1. Therefore a is equal to minus integration of 1 is x plus k1. So this is the value of a. Similarly, b is equal to integration of y1. What is y1? Y1 is e raised to x. So e raised to x into the value of pi of x, that is e raised to x divided by x. This divided by w. W is e raised to 2x with respect to x plus k2. Here e raised to x into e raised to x becomes e raised to 2x. It get cancelled. Therefore b is equal to integration of 1 divided by x remains with respect to x plus k2. Then integration of 1 by x is log x plus k2. Therefore we got a and b. Then substitute the value of a and b in equation number 1. Then equation number 1 becomes y is equal to, what is equation number 1? This. Substitute in this simplified version. Then equation number 1 becomes a is minus x plus k1 into e raised to x plus b is log x plus k2 into x e raised to x. So let us go through group multiplication. So y is equal to, first we take constant terms, k1 e raised to x plus k2 into x e raised to x. Next, minus x into e raised to x. Next, x into e raised to x log x to log x. Therefore y is equal to